Alright guys, I'm out here with the Anafi for a little flight since I haven't floated so damn long. Let me start some video. That's good. It looks like a winner. See, I'm over here in the parking lot. It's taking off now instead of going up there and kneeling down in that mud. I just come over here and do it now. Because kneeling down in that mud gets to be a little bit old. I can assure you. Okay. Quite a bit of glare out here. I think this little place right here that's coming up on view of the camera is the Monroeville where they train the firemen and shit right there. That's what that is right there. I'm trying to see now. That thing says I'm 10 feet up, but it sure don't look like 10 feet to me. Yep, the Anafi is still good. Okay, the Anafi still kicks it. Yeah, this glare out here is brutal. Brutal. It's all right when you're facing away, as you see as it coming in now at the color change, but when you're facing into that sun, man, it's pretty glared up. All right, well, I just want to try to kill the battery a little bit. The yaw speed is real slow. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay. Whoa. I wasn't expecting that. That's that racing mode. I mean, I've never messed with that yet, so I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, now the yaw speed went back. Okay, maybe I have to set it for every different mode. Yeah. Let me try that. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Yeah, that's definitely. I mean, if you're filming something, you want it to go slower, but when you're in the sport mode, you want that to be able to turn quicker because you have to be able to turn. If the quadcopter's going fast, you have to be able to turn it to avoid any kind of crap. Okay, I'm just about ready to kill it because I'm going to just run it down to the 50% battery. Okay, I was just trying a couple manual orbits there. They aren't too shabby. Yeah, when you're flying this thing in this sport mode, you got to be careful, man, because this thing is, I mean, it's trucking, okay? I mean, it's trucking, no doubt. It's moving. I mean, it'll come up on you if you're like going backwards, pulling it back toward you. You got to be careful because it'll be on you in a heartbeat. This thing ain't playing around in this sport mode. I mean, it's serious. I mean, look at the angle on that. Well, you can't see it because I'm doing a screen recording. But believe me, the angle's ferocious. It's the angle on this thing in the sport mode, it's basically tipping like that. So, all right, guys, I'm going to cut the video. Yay. Head back to the car. Yeah, it's better starting over there, taking off over there in the parking lot because that way I don't get my jeans all soaking wet. So that's probably the way I'm going to do it from now on. As long as it's wet, which it will be for the next 5 months. Oh yeah, the Anafi. It's a beauty. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.